students. So I think exercise 4.6 homework, and I hope you completed. ये question number 1 to 14 homework. Now question number 15, exercise 4.6, question number 15. If matrix A given, A is 2, minus 3, 5, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 1, minus 2, A given, then find A inverse. So first find A inverse and solve the system of equation. So and solve the system of equation. So first find A inverse. For A inverse, find their cofactor, that is A11. A11 is minus to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2, into आप फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को हटा देंगे, क्या बचा एलिमेंट 2, minus 4, 1, minus 2. Now cross multiply, this becomes 1. So minus 4, then minus 4, that is plus 4, is equal to 0. So A11 0, minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the value of A11. Now find A12. A12, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now delete first row and second column. First row and second column delete. So what are the remaining elements? 3, minus 4, 1, 2. Now cross multiply, this becomes minus 2 into 3, minus 6, then minus 1 into minus 4, and minus plus. So this is equal to minus 2 becomes plus 2, that is equal to 2. Find A13, 13, that is power 4, 1 plus 3. A13 means delete first row and third column. First row and third column. So what is remaining element? 3, 2, 1, 1. This becomes plus, multiply it, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now find A21, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 3. आप इसमें क्या डिलीट करोगे? सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट. क्या बच गया एलिमेंट? minus 3, 5, 1 and minus 2. Second row and first column. So this becomes minus. Then minus 3 into minus 2, 6. Then minus 5. So becomes 1. That is minus 1. Next find A22. That is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, 4. And delete second row and second column. Second row and second column delete करेंगे. क्या बचा? 2, 5 and next 1 minus 2. This becomes plus. So this equal to minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Now A23. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now delete second row थर्ड कॉलम. सेकेंड रो डिलीट करेंगे और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करेंगे. क्या बच गया? 2 minus 3, 1, 1. This sign becomes minus. So minus 2, then minus 3, so becomes plus, that is minus 5. Next find A31, that is minus 1 for 3 plus 1, 4. So now delete third row and first column. ये समझ में आ रहा है नहीं यार? फर्स्ट सफिक्स रो एंड सेकंड सफिक्स कॉलम, सो डिलीट थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम। ये थर्ड रो डिलीट कर दिए, फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट कर दिए, क्या बच गया एलिमेंट? -3, 5, 2, -4। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई, दिस बिकम्स 1 + 1, so -3 into -4, that is 12, -10 is equal to 2. Now find A32. So -1 to the power 3 plus 2, 5. Now deleting third row and second column. Delete third row and second column. Third row and second column. Third row, this is deleting, and second column. So what is the element? 2, 5, 3, -4. Third row delete and second column. So 2, -5, 2, 5 and 3, -4. This becomes minus. So multiply it, -8 and -15. So -17 becomes +17. Now write A33. So -1 to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6. Then delete third row and third column. So element is 2, -3, 3, 2. So -1 to the power 6 becomes plus. So 4 -9. So +9 is equal to 13. So all are cofactor. Find. So now find adjoint. So adjoint of A is equal to, first write A11. What is A11? 0. A12, 2. A13, 1. A21, -1. A22, -9. A23, -5. A31, 2. A32, 17. A33, 13. It's transpose. This is the inverse. Now taking, this is the adjoint. Now taking inverse, transpose. So row change into column, that is 0, 2, 1, -1, -9, -5, 2, 17, 13. This is the adjoint. Now for inverse, find their determinant. So find determinant. So now find determinant of A. So determinant of A, ऐसे आप फर्स्ट पहले डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेना, तब निकालोगे कोफैक्टर. So now find determinant of A. So determinant of A is determinant of 2, -3, 5, 3, 2, -4, 1, 1, -2. Now expand along R1. So this equal to sign plus, minus, plus. So first write 2, then 2 का क्या करना है, कॉलम और रो को डिलीट कर देना है. So what is the element? 2, -4, 1, -2. Then next minus, an element is -3. First this sign from this here, then second element is -3 into. Now delete -3, that is यह -3 का रो डिलीट कर देंगे और कॉलम भी डिलीट करेंगे. तो क्या बच गया एलिमेंट? 3, -4, 1, -2. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट +5, तो 5 का कॉलम और रो सब डिलीट कर दें. सो एलिमेंट इज 3, 2, 1, 1. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. So this equal to 2, -4, -4. So becomes +4. This minus into minus plus, multiply it, -6 minus +4. Then +5, 3, -2. This becomes 0. And this is -2 into 3, that is -6. This is 1 +5. So is equal to -1. So determinant value is -1. Therefore find inverse. Since A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, so this equal to 1 by -1. And what is adjoint? Adjoint is 0, -1, 2, 2, -9, 17, 1, -5, 13. Now multiply by -1. 1 by -1, that is -1. So multiply by -1. Therefore A inverse is 0. Then sign changed. 1, -2, -2, 9, -17, -1, 5, -13. This is the inverse. You check the answer. Exercise 4.6, question number 15. 4.6, question number 15. Check the inverse. 0, 1, -2, -2, 9, -23, 1 mistake, -5, -1, 5, -13, 3. This 17 is a mistake. This 17. Check that. There 17. Here this 15 -15 -8. What is the value? -23, not 17. That is becomes +23. This is a mistake. So correct it. That is A32. This value is 23. 23. So here is -23. Then rest all are same. Once again check the answer. 4.6, question number 15. 0, 1, -2, -2, 9, -23, -1, 5, -13. So this is the inverse. So first find the inverse. Now solve the system of the equation. Solve the system of equation. So what is the equation is? So system of equation given. System of equation given. So equation is 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11. Second, 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to -5. X plus y minus 2z is equal to -3. This is 3 equation given. Then solve it. So first it can written, this system can written as Ax is equal to B, and A already used. So suppose this system can written as Bx is equal to C, because letter A already used. So let the given system can written as C या Bx is equal to C. Bx is equal to C सपोज करिए, ए के प्लेस पे आ गया B, कोई कन्फ्यूजन तो नहीं होगी। पहले क्या सपोज किए थे? Ax is equal to B, या क्या सपोज कर लिए? Bx is equal to C. What is B? Where B is equal to matrix, that is 2, -3, 5, 3, 2, -4, 1, 1, -2. This same as matrix A. Both are same matrix. So this equal to this matrix. This matrix is equal to A. A given this, and both are same. Therefore B inverse is equal to A inverse. Both are equal, and A inverse already find. So now solve it. Suppose this equation 1. So from 1 यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट नोट कर रहे हैं, X is equal to what? B inverse C, that is multiply by B inverse on both sides. Put the value. What is B inverse? that is A inverse. And what is A inverse? A inverse is 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 13 into C. What is C? What is C? Where C is this matrix, that is C is 11, minus 5 and minus 3. This is C. Now find your product. Now find product. Find product and find the value of x, y and z. तो आप कभी कभी आप लोग क्या करते हो कि A इन्वर्स निकाले और फिर इसको सॉल्व करना है, फिर से इन्वर्स निकालते हो. वैसा नहीं करना है. ऑलरेडी इन्वर्स जो आप निकाले हो उसी का इसमें यूज होगा. सो नाउ मल्टीप्लाई इट. सो x इज इक्वल टू R1 मल्टीप्लाई C1. सो 0 इंटू 11 0, 1 इंटू माइनस 5 minus 5, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Next R2 into C1. So minus 2 into 11, minus 22, 9 into minus 5, minus 45, minus 23 into minus 3, that is plus 69. Third R3 C1. So minus 1 into 11, minus 11, 5 into minus 5, minus 25, minus 3, 13 into 3, that is 39. Now simplify, and x, that is x, y, z is equal to, simplify it. So 1 here, this sum is 67 minus 67. So 2, this one is 36 minus 36, that is 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. This is the solution. ये आप क्वेश्चन समझ लिए. Now question number 16. Now question number 16. Question number 16 is, 16 given the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg weight and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. लास्ट में क्या फाइंड करें देख लीजिए. फाइंड कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आइटम पर केजी बाई मैट्रिक्स मेथड. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आइटम. Here there are 3 items, onion, weight and rice. Find per kg. So let rate of onion per kg, let rate of onion per kg is equal to rupees x and rate of weight per kg is equal to rupees y and rate of, what is third, rice per kg is equal to rupees z. Rice per kg, suppose rupees z. So this is the rate of 3 items. And first given the cost of 4 kg onion. So according to question, cost of 4 kg onion, and what is the rate of onion? Rupees x per kg and 4 kg. So what is cost? 4x. And 3 kg weight, that is 3y, and 2 kg rice, that is 2z, and combined cost given rupees 60. So is equal to 60. Second, the cost of 2 kg onion. So what is cost of 2 kg onion? 2x, 4 kg wheat, that is 4y, and 6 kg rice, that is 6z, is equal to given rupees 90. And third, 6 kg onion, that is 6x, and 2 kg wheat, that is 2y, and 3 kg rice, that is 3z, is equal to rupees 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method, that is solve using inverse of a matrix and find the value of x, y, z, and that value is the rate of 3 items. अब सॉल्व कर लोगे सेम. ओके, so now this 4 points is completed. Now एग्जाम्पल नंबर 30, इसको आप सॉल्व कर लोगे. यह है होमवर्क, ये सॉल्व कर लोगे. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 30 given A, B and C are positive and unequal. So I think time is not sufficient, so I discuss next class. आप यहाँ पे कर लोगे. ओके.